Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. So what this video is going to be on is basically a very basic unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is what it came in. Just this box, and after I tried cutting it, I realized there was a pull tab strip, and we'll open it up, and here's the box. And this came from, by the way, directly from China. When I ordered it, I was one of the first to order, and it didn't come from the US, it came directly from China, so I thought that was kind of funny. But on the box, there's no saran wrap or whatever. There's just two pull tabs. There's no plastic wrap, so they can save more money. And the phone is right there. We're going to set that aside for a second. And inside the box is no charger, of course, so they can save a little more money. And we're going to take the peel off the covering, and that's the phone. And inside is the USB. Well, first it's a booklet with a SIM ejector tool and one Apple sticker and a warranty. And then we have the USB cable, and that's it. That's all that's in the box. So that was my short but sweet unboxing video on Apple's iPhone 13 Pro Max. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.